Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about Deepseek R1, the AI model that is making waves in the tech world. Some are calling it one of the most impressive AI breakthroughs ever. And the best part, it's open source. That means anyone, including you, can try it out right now. Stick around as I'll walk you through how to use it step by step and show you what makes it stand out. Deepseek is a cutting-edge AI language model developed in China, and it's standing out for a few key reasons. It's powerful. Deepseek handles high-level reasoning, complex problem-solving, and even explains its thought process as it works. It thinks out loud. Unlike most AI chatbots that just give you an answer, Deepseek walks you through its reasoning step by step. This feature makes it easier to understand how it reaches conclusions. Want to test it out for yourself? It's super easy. Go to deepseek.com, log in with your Google account, and start chatting right away. Let's try using Deepseek R1, their most advanced model. Here's an example prompt. A city is facing a major traffic congestion problem. Suggest 3 innovative AI-driven solutions that could help reduce traffic and explain their potential impact. Once you hit enter, you will notice something unique. Deepseek first explains its thinking in gray text before providing the final structured response in bold. Now, let's compare this with the basic version of Deepseek, not R1. You will see that it skips the reasoning process and directly generates an answer. If you are on mobile, Deepseek is currently the #1 free app on the App Store for iPhone. That means you can download it and have an AI assistant anytime, anywhere. Deepseek is already making a serious impact, even passing ChatGPT in popularity in some areas. It's fast, it's powerful, it's cheaper to run, and it's open source. But that's not all. The same company behind Deepseek just released Genus Pro 7B, a new AI image generation model that's already looking like a strong competitor to top AI image generators. But that's a topic for another video. Deepseek's rise tells us something important. AI innovation isn't just happening in Silicon Valley. It's moving fast and becoming more accessible, transparent, and customizable than ever before. So, what do you think? Is Deepseek the real ChatGPT killer or just another temporary hype? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates. See you in the next video.